Hey guys, it's Nino Dog, and today I'm going to be playing some Halo 4 Flood. And as you can see, I'm already in the game lobby. And so here we go. I think I've only done like 1 or 2 videos of Halo 4 to be precise. Yeah, I think I only did 1. I'm looking at my channel right now on YouTube, or at all my videos, and yeah, I only did 1 video of Halo. So tonight we're gonna do, tonight or today for who for you guys or whatever. We're gonna play it today or whatever. What? You know what? I'm gonna go down and get that gun right there. What the heck? That was like, okay. Very fast. If you ask me. Really? Hey, I was gonna get that dude. Wow. Why can I not kill anybody? This is pissing me off. And I really mean it's starting to piss me off. Okay, so who is this dude? Freaking oh. I honestly think they're gonna win. No freaking joke. I think they're gonna win. No! Haha. This is not cool. It's a glitch. Has to be.
Round over.
Ah. Because I wouldn't know how to get up there. Really? I'm flood? Like, really? Already? Really? Not cool. Alright, well, I think that is where I'm gonna end the video for today, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe, or push that subscribe button, or whatever. And like the video. Alright, later.